Hello folks, hope you everyone is fine, and today we're gonna see what's inside this floppy disk. Yeah, it's an old technology, but let's see what's inside this. First, let me take this thing off. So that's for name check and tags, and let's start it from here. Yeah, so it's basically like not that much rocket science in it. So it's just you can put the things right there and it rips off. So that's how it looks. Basically not that much things inside of a floppy disk. So this is how it looks from the inside. So basically foil, paper foil and plastic mixed foil and a thing that is readable, in infrared readable plastic. Yeah, you can see from this part to the next. Yeah, and a thing made up of iron to revolve. Okay, not that much rocket science in it. Let's push this thing together again. So in the early days it consisted of 1.44 MB, 1.44 megabytes. So that's quite a huge memory in that time, but nowadays 128 GBs, 512 GBs in a single USB sticks. So that was fun. So this thing moves in the floppy drive. This thing moves, and put it inside. This thing moves, and it's read by here. So this is how a floppy worked back in the days, and now it's obsolete. So thank you guys, hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Everyday Science.